Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making elderberry sea moss soap. I'm using mix and pour to create the soap because it's easy, it's affordable, and you can make as many as you like. So if you're interested in what's going on, stay tuned. I start off by cutting off a good portion of the mix and pour soap. Once I get the piece that I want to use for this project, I go ahead and cube it up. Those cubes are then tossed inside my glass jar. I melt it using it 30-second intervals, and it made about a cup. I pour it into a secondary one because I don't like to leave any residue in the ones that I melt everything in. I add about half a teaspoon of the elderberry, and I just mix it really good. And this, when you go ahead and add your essential oils for this project, I'm just going to add some vitamin E oil. I'm going to spritz everything down with the alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Then I'm going to pour and spritz again with alcohol to stop the bubbles from forming. And I just pretty much let it cool afterwards. And this is an example of what I did previously. So yeah, that's it. Simple, easy, and effective. See you guys next time.